In this video, I will show you how to watch MLB Future Games in 2026. First of all, open up any web browser. Then search for a complete guide to watching MLB TV in 2026. Then you will find this URL from MLB.com. Click on it. If you scroll down below, you can see the full list of clubs whose game will be available for streaming in market without blackouts. After that, to watch MLB games live without blackouts, what you need to do is on the top of the screen you can see various menu bar, and right beside ticket you can see MLB.tv. Click on buy MLB.tv. Here you can see various new seasonal prices. You can choose as per season, you can choose the plan as per year or monthly. Once you have a plan in mind, you can simply click on buy now or start a free trial, then sign in and put in your card details and buy the subscription.